A head injury can be debilitating and life-altering. In a single moment, your world changes, leaving you and your family with urgent questions about your health, your finances, and your future. If you or a loved one are struggling after a traumatic event, you don't have to face this alone. What is a traumatic brain injury? The CDC defines a traumatic brain injury, or TBI, as a disruption in the normal function of the brain caused by a bump, blow, or jolt to the head, or a penetrating injury. This kind of injury can severely degrade your quality of life. The most common causes of TBIs include falls, collisions, motor vehicle crashes, and assaults. But a brain injury isn't always immediately obvious. Symptoms can range from persistent pain and memory loss to emotional instability and sensitivity to light or sound. Some signs, like confusion or delayed cognition, might not even appear for several days. It is important to understand the classification of your injury. An open head injury occurs when the object breaks the skull and enters the brain, often requiring extensive rehabilitation. Closed head injuries are often harder to diagnose because there may be no outward signs of damage. However, they can cause dangerous internal bleeding or increased pressure on the brain. Never let anyone tell you it's just a concussion. Concussions are traumatic brain injuries that can worsen over time. Research shows their effects are cumulative, and multiple concussions can lead to permanent conditions like dementia. If your injury was caused by another's negligence in North Carolina, you may be owed significant compensation. This includes past and future medical costs, lost wages if you can no longer work, and payment for your physical and emotional pain. Building a case for full compensation is difficult and often requires evidence like MRI scans, medical records, eyewitness testimony, and police reports. Remember, the insurance company is protecting their interests, not yours. An experienced attorney can significantly increase your chances of a favorable outcome. At the law offices of James Scott Farron, we have a You First policy, meaning you pay nothing up front and no attorney's fee at all unless we recover money for you. You don't have to do this alone. If someone else's negligence caused your injury, let us put our resources and knowledge to work for you. Call us or visit us online for a free, no-obligation case evaluation. We're here to help.